Hey guys, we got a 2014 Kia Sorento here. We're going to show you how to remove the rear door panels now. Pretty simple. All we need to do, we're going to start by removing this upper trim piece here. Just held on with some pressure clips. Got a little trim tool and pop that off and throw that to the side. Now we've got some covers that we need to remove here. There's a center that we need to pop out of here that's hiding a Phillips screw. And also we've got one rubber cover that needs to come out and one plastic cover that's in behind here. So let me grab my flathead screwdriver and we'll get this one to come out first. We'll just wedge this in behind here, pop that out. Take this one down in here, pop that out. And then we've got this one that's back here. Ideally a pick would be best for this. Don't worry about seeing me mark this up. This car's junk. Okay, now we've got to take all these Phillips screws out. Just gonna bust out the drill. Take this piece off. Take this one out that's in here. And then take this one out. Okay, now there's a bunch of pressure clips that hold this on, so grab the bottom of the door, give it a tug. And then we should be able to lift kind of upwards. Now all we have to do is take the cable off and the wiring harness. There's a little tab, and you're just gonna push down on the tab and take the door cables off. And then the electrical connector is just simple. There's a little button you press on the connector, and that pops off. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. All right. Okay, now to get the motor out, we remove these 3 screws. And we also have an electrical connector right here. We just press this little button down, take that out, and then just shimmy it off. Just like that. Now we've got the motor out, ready to replace it.